What's going on, you guys? Today is a very exciting day because I got a brand new printer, 3D resin printer. It's a Creality LD002R, and we're about to do an unboxing for you. Me personally, I'm very excited. My Elegoo Mars kind of died on me. It really didn't die. It was time for an upgrade, and plus I wanted a brand new 3D printer. So once I put it out there in the atmosphere, it happened. I said it out loud about a month ago, and then let's say it's been 2 weeks now since I had a printer. 2 weeks ago, my Elegoo Mars took a poop. So today we're gonna do an unboxing on my brand new printer. It just got here. I took it out of the main Amazon shipping box because of the whole, thing y'all know what's going on. So I took it out of that box and I brought it inside of the house, and right here on the floor is my brand new 3D resin printer. Let's go. So now, the moment that we all been waiting for. In this box right here, this box right here, straight from Amazon, Creality, is here. Let's do the unboxing right now. So let's let the fun begin. Whoop. Can you smell the success coming out of this box? First, got your power cord. They gave you a bag of goodies. Allen key set with a little screwdriver. Paintbrush. Metal scraper. Don't like to use these because they definitely will stretch up your build plate. Latex gloves. They gave me 2 sets of them. Some small paint strainers, which will come in handy. Now this I will use. 2 face masks, a owner's manual, after sales service card, qualified and certified flash drive that will be getting lots of use. VAT streams. It's pretty cool. Wow, nice packaging. Wow, I'm impressed with the packaging. The packaging is amazing. Build plate's about the same as the Elegoo Mars. It feels really good. I'm so impressed so far. This is crazy. It doesn't feel cheesy or anything like that. So this area right here is where she would live. Thumbs up to you, dude. Thumbs up to you. That's the power button. Hey, cha 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 cha. Cha 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 cha. Cha 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 cha. And she lives. This is almost like that new car smell, dude. All in all, I'm kind of impressed with this printer, the build, the quality of it. I'm really impressed all in all. So I'm gonna go ahead. I have a couple of designs that I am going to put on this build plate to see how well it prints out. I'm not going to do a test print. I'm going to go straight at it and see what happens. Yes, I am. I'm going straight at it to see exactly what happens. Once I clean up this mess that I got going on in this room. This Powercast resin. Shouts out to you, VOG. I tried to reach out to him and send him messages about casting and burnouts and all that stuff. No hard feelings. He never responded. You know, I get it. I get it. So let's check this out right now. Like my backdrop. Let's check this out and let's see what we got. My first takes on the Creality printer is that my first print, I am impressed. I am truly impressed. Now I'm about to print out a star ring that I purchased off of, this is the star ring that all your rappers wear. I purchased this off of CG Trader. I am about to reprint that ring out because that ring I printed out on my Elegoo Mars and it's super big, and I am going to downsize that ring so it can fit on my pinky or either this finger right here, whatever the finger that is. So, and then I'm gonna ice it out. I can't never pronounce your printer name right. I'm very impressed with you guys. I'm gonna run another print. Like I said, I'm going to print out that star ring and see how that does. I'm going to clean up these prints that I just printed out. Like I said, I'm very happy. Very happy with the way that those prints came out. I'm very happy. Very happy. Yeah, so shouts out to Powercast Resin. You guys deserve an award. I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna cut y'all back on, and I'm gonna show y'all how clean and how crispy these details are on this printer. And I'm glad that my Elegoo Mars took a crap because now I got a chance and I have an excuse to buy a new printer. And it seems like it's gonna worth this weight in gold. So I'm gonna call my client tonight and let him know that we're back on schedule to have his jewelry picked up on this Monday. Peace. Okay, I'm back. And so what we're about to do right now is show you guys the finished product. I put some alcohol on it. Yes. Usually I normally get 90%, but during these times when it's very hard to find alcohol, I got 70%. I got what I could find. So what I'm about to show you guys right now is one of the prints that came out. Boom. Look at that. Wow, look how clean that is. I have to do a lot of cleanup on the back. That's just a little sand, and that's nothing. Look at that. This is ready to go straight on a wax tree, invested and casted, burnt out, and then casted. This is a custom pendant for one of my clients. That is a P and an M. This backside right there, I clipped that, so I am going to reprint that again. So what I'm about to do right now, since I have a vat full of resin, full of wax resin, I have a vat right now that's full of wax resin. I'm about to put this thing to the test and see how many pieces I can print out on this machine right now. So I'm about to do that. Who is that guy? I'm about to load this machine up right now with a bunch of prints because it's a couple of pieces that I really want to get casting so I can put on the market. I'm going to load this bad boy up. Creality. I cannot. I have to watch. Let me tell you something. Creality is what it's called. But I literally have to watch YouTube videos right before I start my video to hear how people pronounce the name of this printer. I don't know why. I just cannot let it roll off my tongue correctly. So what I'm about to do is load this bad boy up with a bunch of prints and see how much this printer can handle. I'm about to throw the whole world at this printer to see how much this printer can handle. And if this thing can do what I want it to do, I will be a very, very happy guy. And I will have a lot of happy customers because I have a lot of pieces that I am behind on because my Elegoo Mars, which is in that box now, took a crap on me 2 weeks ago. So now I'm 2 weeks behind. Yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all back on once I load this thing up full of prints. Yeah.